I'm Jen Carlman from InLab News. We are here at the Fall 2010 conference of Demo here in San Jose. I'm joined by two wonderful gentlemen, David and Paul. You guys are from the company Sococo. I love saying that. David, I'm going to start with you. First of all, tell me about Sococo and what your name means, because it is so fun to say.
Well, Sococo stands for Social Communications Company, and we decided to take the first syllable and make it into an abbreviation, Sococo. And that is fun to say. That's why we picked it. Maybe we tried to find words that fit a fun thing to say.
Very easy to remember.
Right, so what we have and what we're demonstrating today is a new communication service.
Okay.
And so we've been working for a number of years now to take a whole collection of technologies and bring them together in one simple, easy to use system. And we call the technology for this Smart Spaces.
Okay.
And what Smart Spaces do is they automatically bring together people with voice, with tech chat, with application sharing, as well as information about who's around them and what they're doing. So we've used that in our Team Space offering, which we've announced today, to deliver that type of capability to professional people when they're at work. So many of us have struggled with conference calls and other kinds of web meetings and things of that nature. And putting that together is a real hassle, and it really keeps people from interacting with each other in a natural way. And so what the Smart Space technology does is it takes all of that off the table. So what people do is they choose to go to the same space, and once they get there, they're automatically connected with each other.
Huh, very cool. So Paul, elaborate a little bit for me. If I was just one of your users, how would I use your application?
Sure, it's very simple. You install our application. It's very lightweight. And once you register for the application, you'll actually be able to import your entire community with you. Friends, family, colleagues, anyone that you interact with currently on a third-party IM service is fully compatible with Sococo. So you don't really leave anything behind. You can maintain all your relationships and your current kind of behaviors of chatting with people on different services. But Sococo gives you this kind of virtual environment. We call it a virtual office place for your distributed teams. So if you're a typical user, you'll be a company that has remote employees, people who work from home, companies that have outsourced complete functions of their organization, like product development or operations or whatnot. And we can recreate your office environment, but virtually.
Wow.
So you'll literally have a series of private offices, conference rooms, and common areas where you see your team all day long. You see who's talking to who's doing what. We actually call this feature social awareness, because you're very aware of your employees around you. And with one-click access, you pop into someone's office and just say hello, just like we walked up on the stage and said hello to you.
Right. I would think that your idea is really gaining some traction because the market has shifted so much and so many companies are having more employees work remotely or people who don't report to one office, that this sort of brings that idea of community that we were so familiar with before the market downturn. You're kind of bringing that back. Is that accurate, David?
Yeah, that is accurate. We have seen trends out there, people working more from home and working more in a distributed environment, more flexible schedules. And one of the things that does for people is improve their quality of life, but it can make management and interaction and collaboration more difficult. And so our technology addresses what we think is a very important need in a growing market.
Where's the company at? This question can be for either of you. Where's the company at when it comes to funding? And what are you really looking for here at Demo?
Right, sure. So we're a privately funded company, and we're not currently out soliciting investment at the moment. We're funded through our launch here. We'll likely be going back to the markets at some point in the future, but not just at the moment. And what we're hoping here from Demo is that people will understand there's a new mode of communication now in the world called Sococo, and that there's a natural, easy way for people to communicate.
Sococo, it's so easy to say. I just love it. Paul and David, thank you so much. Been a pleasure talking to you, and best of luck to you. We look forward to talking to you further.
Thanks
so much. Appreciate it.